HVAC design begins with simple preliminary diagrams that contain the key engineering data. But turning them into detailed drawings, full system connections, and quantity takeoff is extremely time-consuming and repetitive. Hvac AI solves this by using custom algorithms to automatically read drawings, route pipes, and generate BIM models. Gemini guides users step by step, orchestrates the entire workflow, explains errors, and helps choose design parameters. The engineer just talks, and Gemini handles the rest. Outputs of the gas piping and ductwork modules. The software generates a structured JSON model. This JSON is then converted into a full BIM-ready Revit model using Revit, allowing engineers to visually inspect and validate the entire HVAC system. In future versions, Gemini will be integrated to perform deeper analytical evaluations, assess design efficiency, and propose optimization strategies for the engineer.